Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to log in or sign in into your Peacock TV account. In order to log in or sign in into your Peacock TV account, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you need to go ahead and open up a browser. You can use any web browser, whichever is convenient for you. When you open up a browser on the web address bar, go ahead and type in www.peacocktv.com and that's going to take you to the official web page of Peacock TV. So here you need to go ahead and select the sign in button in the top right hand side corner. If you don't have an account, go ahead and select get started and get a subscription on a following account, and you can just go ahead and enjoy your Peacock TV. So when you go ahead and select the sign in button, go ahead and enter in your information, that is either your username or an email address and then a password. Once done entering the information, you've successfully logged into your account and select the account, and you can enjoy your Peacock TV account. So that's how you can sign in or log in into your Peacock TV account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.